and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. For today's video we are going to be testing out the Stone Cold Fox palette, which you would have seen in my ColourPop haul. This is in collaboration with Lizzie, who you guys have seen me do collabs with gosh knows how many times before. We just really enjoy doing collabs, and it also forces us to go into our collection and use these palettes. I thought we would pick this one just because I'm really not a cool toned person. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. I'm really not a cool toned type of eyeshadow person. I don't really like them. I try and go for the more warm tone eyeshadows, so I thought it'd be a fun way to make sure I use this palette. So let's just dive on in and create a nice cool toned look. So I think for my first brush that I'm going to use is the Morphe 441, and I think I'm going to go into this like cool toned grey here called You Rock. So I'm just blending You Rock out until I get the colour that I want in this shape. Coming off like a cool toned grey blue. You guys can hear the seagulls. I thought we would go into this other shade, which is called Rumour Mill, which is just here, which is like a deeper greyish blue, and I thought I would use a different brush, and we're going to use the Morphe 433 and just go onto the outer V with this and through the crease. Is anyone else the same as me, where they prefer like a warm toned palette over a cool toned, or is there some like people who prefer cool tones over warm tones? Let me know, because I'll be interested to know what everyone's thoughts are around that. I think just because I want to blend out at the top of my eye where I first placed that shadow, I'm going to take this shade here called Quarry Dips, which is like a cool toned light brown, and I'm just going to blend at the top, just because I really want to make sure that this is blended out. And then I think I'm going to go into this silver shade here, which is called Magnetic Moon. And I'm going to go into that shade with this Amazon cheap brush. I'm going to try it without any MAC Fix Plus or any sprays first to see how it applies. Oh wow, yeah, you definitely don't need a spray for this. This is going on really nice. Look at that. And then I think just because I want to deepen up that outer V, I'm going to go into this shade called Cult Classic, I think. Oh, Cult Plastic, which is this shade here. And I'm going to go into this with my Morphe 433 brush, just on the outer V. And I'm just going to bring it through a tiny bit, maybe halfway. And then I'm going to blend that out with the Morphe 441 brush. So that is the look so far. I think what I'm going to do is go off camera, do my other eye, apply some lashes, and then come back. So I am back. I've done my other eye and also applied some lashes. This is the look. It's super pretty. I'm actually not annoyed at this at all. I feel like it's very like 2000s, just this grey like shimmery look. Hi everyone, so I'm back. This is with my lashes on and the other eye done. It's super cute. It's giving me like 2000 vibes, 2010. just like the gold silvery shimmer. I'll be interested to see what Lizzie does and what she creates with this, because I know warm tones are more her thing as well. But let's jump in and do my under eye. I think I'm going to take that shade Rumour Mill, which was like the second one. It's that dark grey. And we're just going to quickly run that under my eye quite soft, just because I don't want it to be really full on. And I'm going into that with my Molly O'Brien Cha Cha brush. And then I'm going to do my under eyes with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then for my lipstick, I thought we would keep it cool toned, so I'm going to use my Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Granny Panties. So this is the final look. I do like this cool toned palette, and I do want to definitely keep using it more, because even the shimmer, like, it just applied so beautifully to my eye. I didn't have to put loads of work into it. It's just definitely given me like year 2000, 2005 vibes. It's not something I would personally wear all the time. I definitely want to dive into more ColourPop palettes though, and I can definitely see why Lizzie hypes up about all this, because the shimmer and the mattes have all applied beautifully. You guys would have seen there wasn't loads of work, I wasn't dragging it. So I definitely recommend this palette if cool toned like shimmers and mattes are your thing. Like I said, I'm keen to see what look Lizzie does and what she thinks of the palette, because I know she loves like mattes and shimmers that just apply beautifully. And I also know she loves ColourPop. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Go check out Lizzie's video if you haven't already. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!